Hi beautiful darling, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, it's your girl Gina and I'm back again with another video. Okay, so if you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on my video. And my old people, thank you guys so much for always being there for me. I do really appreciate it. Okay, without wasting much time and bragging, let's get straight into the video. Okay. Then what am I coming to talk about? People have been asking me, Georgina, how did you start your YouTube channel? Can you teach me how to start a YouTube channel? Guys, you know that I always say that everything is on internet. When I started my YouTube channel, nobody taught me how to start it, okay? I always do research, search about the video, how to start a YouTube channel, how to edit video, how to do everything on YouTube. Everything have a tutorials on YouTube, okay? So let me teach you the little I have, okay? Because if I don't pay attention to, maybe I may be selfish, okay? And I don't want to be selfish, so I want to come out and teach the little I have, okay? So let me stop blagging and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing I want to talk about is that if you want to be a YouTuber, I'm a new YouTuber, so I can't talk much about the whole YouTube thing, okay? But what I've got to realize that is, if you want to be a YouTuber, you need to have the passion, inner passion. You have it in you, and you are not just starting it because you want money. Although YouTube pays, okay, but it's a journey. Unless you get there before YouTube will start paying you. Okay, so you have to get the passion, because if you start it, it's not that immediately that you are going to earn money. Some YouTubers, it can take you 2 years, 3 years, 4 years maximum before God will help you to reach to their monetization requirements. Okay, so if you don't have passion, you can't do that. So if you have the passion, that means you are doing it as your hobby. That's why you are doing. And if God help you and it's come good, alhamdulillah, then you are ready to go. Okay, so you need to have a passion. But if you don't have a passion, please don't try, because you can't do that. Otherwise, you'll be very disappointed in yourself. You'll be blaming yourself. Meanwhile, it's not your problem. But if you know that you have the passion in you and you want to start it, then let's do it, okay? So that you want to be a YouTuber, the first thing that you need is your email account or your Google account. And so far as you are watching me on this YouTube channel, because some are my subscribers, so far as you are watching me on this video or this channel, that means you have a YouTube channel, you have a channel, okay? Your account, every YouTuber is using his or her Google account to upload videos, okay? So you have a channel. So the first thing you need to do is that maybe your channel is very old, your Google account is very old, okay? So the first thing you need to do is go and restart your channel, go and change your email account, okay? So that it will be a new channel. So that let's say you created your account for 2 years ago, 3 years ago, you are now coming to upload, okay? And you want people to know that you are a new YouTuber. So what do you have to do? You have to change your email account. Otherwise, if people go to your about, that old account, email account, is going to show them that you started your channel 3 years ago, 4 years ago. And if it happens like that, most people will not take you for serious. When I started my channel, I couldn't change my email account. It was too late for me, okay? So if you are new and you are coming to start and you have the old account, Google account, please make sure you go and change your email account so that your channel will be new. Okay, so after you have your Google account, the next thing you have to do is you need to verify your account, okay? Now, YouTube doesn't know whether you exist or you are a robot, okay? So the only thing that will make YouTube know that you exist is you have to verify your account. Ask me, then somebody will ask, how do I verify my account, please? I told you that I can't go details. So the right thing you have to do is go to YouTube, search for how to verify YouTube account. You get a lot of videos, a lot of tutorials. You can watch it, okay? And you can get more understanding like me, more than me coming to teach you, because I'm not a perfect, okay? So the first thing you need is passion, the second Google account, and then the third one is verify your account. So after verify, the reason why I'm saying you have to verify your account is if you don't verify your account, you can't add thumbnails to your videos. You only use the thumbnail that YouTube will give it to you on your videos. So if you want to add a thumbnail, that means you have to verify your account, and after verify your account, it will show there that where you can add your custom thumbnails. Okay, it's a step by step. Okay, don't put too much pressure on you. Everything that you want to learn, please, we have all the videos on YouTube. Just go there, ask Google. Now our Google is there, YouTube is there for everybody. Even it has gotten to a standard how to drink water is even on YouTube. They have videos on it. Okay, so you can set whatever you want on it and watch it and do it step by step. And then the another one is consistency. You need to be consistent. As a new YouTuber, I'm a new YouTuber, but I wasn't consistent, so I was not knowing what I was doing. My channel was not growing. Sometimes it can take me 2 months, 3 months without getting not even 1 subscriber. But ever since I started being consistent, when I upload a new video, I get new subscribers. Okay, so you have to be consistency. Okay, now you are a new YouTuber, you just started your channel, YouTube doesn't know you exist. Okay, so what will I do for YouTube to know that I exist or I'm a content creator? Now the first thing you have to do is that uploading more content, because the more you upload content, YouTube will get notification at their end. So and so, like let's say Georgina can keep on uploading videos, keep on uploading, then YouTube will go to realize that this girl exists or this channel exists, so let's pay attention to, because if you upload video, YouTube will also get something from that. Okay, so they have to come to your aid and support you. So the more you upload, the more YouTube will get notified that you exist. Then they will come to your aid and recommend your videos to different people. But if you upload one, then you stop. If you upload two, then you stop. That means YouTube doesn't, they will never give you attention that you need. Okay, so consistency, that's why I'm saying consistency. And then the another one is patience and determination. Patience, you need to be patient. Okay, it's like that's what I was saying. It's a journey. You just started, nobody know you exist, so the only thing you need is patience and determination. Tell yourself, I'm not going to stop. Tell yourself, I'm going to make it. Okay, and keep on uploading. Don't put too much pressure on you. Don't ask people to share your videos. People have 20 subscribers, 50 subscribers, 100 subscribers, and they are asking big YouTubers or YouTubers to share their video for them. Okay, maybe I may share your video, but it will not favor you. Ask me why? Because you are new and my niche is different. I create content as a housemaid. That's what my audience are looking for. And the information that my audience are looking for me is about housemaid or thing. Okay, and maybe you are also creating lifestyle or you are creating different story. If I share your channel on my community post, maybe they may click, but they will not subscribe because they are not expecting that from you. Okay, so make sure that you not put too much pressure on people for them to share your video. Keep on uploading. Your audience will find you. The more you upload, the more you are getting audience. Okay, build your subscribers organically. Don't go for sub. People do sub for sub. And when I started my YouTube channel, because of depression and because of I was in hurry, I started doing that. If I get 10 subscribers or 20 subscribers a day, the next day, by the time I wake up, then 10 is gone. They will come back and unsubscribe because all of them are content creators and they don't have time to come and watch my videos. Okay, so it's better you build your channel organically. Don't go for sub facade. Otherwise, YouTube can terminate your channel or they can delete your channel. Okay, so now what's next? How to upload and how to editing your videos. I have told you I can't go details because if I go details, I will lost because I don't give tips and I'll talk about it. Go to Google. Go to Google, go to YouTube. Everything is there. How to upload videos. Everything is there. Yes. Your camera is supposed to be like this. Okay, you can choose to use the back to record, you can choose to use the front to record. It will give you nice. And now after recording, what next? You have to edit. I use Vlo app to edit. You can download it. Vlo, it's very easy, you can learn it. Okay, it's a process. Don't put too much pressure on you. It's a process. Small learn how to edit. After you have edited, now you are coming to upload. How do I upload my video? Now go to your YouTube like this. You will see some plus here. You see the plus? You click the plus video. Just click on upload the video. Take you to where your files are. So if you want to upload this video, then you click it. That's all. You have started uploading it. And after uploading, there's a setting there. You need to get a YouTube Studio on your phone. Okay, YouTube Studio is going to help you to check your analytics. It's going to help you to know the number of subscribers, the number of views that you have got. Okay, if I go details, I'll get lost. I don't give tips and tricks on YouTube. So if you want to know more, please just search for how to start a YouTube channel, and you get all it step by step professionally. Okay, so this will be the end of the video. Until I meet you in my next video, always remember, no condition is permanent. Stay safe and bye for now.